Hey beautiful, it's Nancy Joseph, also known as the Lipstick Boss. And all of a sudden, face gems are popping up everywhere. I'm going to show you how to wear this successfully. I have a 5-step pro process. So if you wear makeup as a form of self-expression, you're going to love this. And if you don't, then save it for special occasions like birthdays, holiday parties, concerts, football games, Halloween, whatever. So there are 2 ways to wear face gems. You're either going to glue them onto the skin with lash glue, or you're going to purchase a sticker that already has the gems on there and you're just going to stick them on. So I'm going to show you my 5-step pro process for applying face gems, and that's going to be using the lash glue and loose gems. You can use pearls, rhinestones, gems, whatever you want. So step number 1 is that you're going to plan your glam. You're going to plan your look. You're either going to sketch it out or you're going to use a face chart. I used a face chart to determine where I wanted to place my gems. I took an inspiration picture from Instagram. So there is a link in the box below for face charts. Go ahead and take advantage of that resource, and there's other videos and other freebies in there for you. So step number 1 is to plan your look. Step number 2 is to finish your makeup. Your makeup needs to be complete before we put on face gems. Go ahead and do a setting powder or a setting spray to make sure that everything is going to stay. Step number 3 is to take a toothpick and grab a little bit of lash glue, and we're going to look at our plan and we're going to see exactly where we need to place, where the gems are going to be placed. So I have one here and I have one here, and I go back and forth like this, only doing 2 or 3 dots at a time because it takes just a few minutes for it to dry, and I don't want to do the whole eye and have the glue dry too soon. The next step is going to be, step number 4 is to take your tweezers and your gem, and you're going to go ahead and place that right on your skin. There you go. And so then you're going to work your whole look out. And once it's complete, whoo, it's going to be shining. And then step number 5 is the removal. So the way that you remove it is you're going to use some kind of oil-based cleanser. Coconut oil works really good to take away that residue. So I hope you enjoyed this. I hope it was inspirational. I can't wait to see what you come up with. If it was helpful, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and until next time, happy blending. Bye-bye.